Hi guys, I'm Keenan Kerner van Osten there, and today I'm going to do a rant on Charlie and Lola. Enjoy the video. Charlie and Lola. What? More like stupid and poopy? Oh my gosh! This show sucks. And this show involves two idiots, and they like to go on failure adventures together. Charlie is an idiot. Well, he looks like a monkey face. And Lola is stupid. And Charlie and Lola's faces looks like monkey faces, like stupid monkey faces. The plots of the show are pointless. The animations are crap. It interferes with my entertainment. But I don't know who loves this show. But do you know who hates this show? Me and Brendan Barney. We both hate that show with the burning passion. So Charlie and Lola is stinky. So Charlie and Lola stinks. And so does Little Einsteins. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is better than Charlie and Lola. End of rant. If you have any requests about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.